please throw your empty can in the recycle bin? Or shoot it into space? Join CanSat Belgium 2014-2016. So, how can you participate? First step, subscribe. How? You can subscribe on Facebook, CanSat Belgium. Then build a team. Not too small and not too large. Next, find a willing teacher. Now, you need to buy a can of soda and to choose a member of your team to drink it. This step is important because you need enough space to put your experiment in the can. The competition is open to all citizens in the world who are going to school in Belgium. Second step, win. To win, you have to find an idea for an experiment that fits in the can, which will take place in a rocket. Your idea must convince the distinguished scientists who will evaluate all the projects and choose the best 8. The 8 selected teams will receive assistance from specialized engineers, the CanSat kit, and the rocket to launch their experiment. They will then be invited to the Netherlands. And finally, the winner will represent Belgium at the international competition organized by the European Space Agency.